Owning a home is a dream come true for many, but it also comes with its fair share of financial responsibilities. With housing costs on the rise and unexpected expenses lurking around every corner, it's easy for homeowners to find themselves overspending and falling into a cycle of debt. But it's not insurmountable. In this video, we'll share 6 powerful tips that will help you fix your budget by cultivating a frugal living mindset, embracing the positive aspects of minimalism, and ultimately saving money as a homeowner. And by the end, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to transform your relationship with money and achieve financial freedom without sacrificing the joy of homeownership. Number 1. Create a dedicated home maintenance fund. You've been diligently saving for a rainy day, but then the unexpected happens. Your water heater breaks down, and you're faced with a hefty repair bill. Suddenly, your carefully planned budget is thrown into disarray, and you're left scrambling to find the funds to cover this unexpected expense. This is where an emergency fund specific to home repairs comes in handy. Set aside a portion of your income each month into a dedicated home maintenance fund. Aim to save at least 1 to 2% of your home's value annually for repairs, replacements, and routine maintenance tasks. For example, if your home is valued at $300,000, you should aim to contribute $3,000 to $6,000 annually to this fund. This will serve as a safety net, ensuring that you're ready to tackle any issues that arise without going into debt or dipping into your regular savings. Number 2. Negotiate your way to savings. Receiving bills for services or utilities can be frustrating, especially when costs seem to be constantly increasing. But what if you could take control and negotiate better rates, potentially saving hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year? Many homeowners simply accept the prices they're quoted without realizing that there's often room for negotiation. Whether it's your cable or internet package, home insurance premiums, or even your mortgage rate, don't be afraid to pick up the phone and negotiate. Research competitive offers from other providers and use them as leverage to secure a better deal. You might be surprised by how willing companies are to retain your business by offering discounts or bundled packages. The worst they can say is no, but the potential savings could be substantial. Number 3. Prioritize preventative maintenance. As a homeowner, you've likely experienced the frustration and financial strain of dealing with unexpected repairs or replacements. Whether it's a leaky roof, a faulty appliance, or a plumbing issue, these unexpected costs can quickly derail your budget. Prioritizing preventative maintenance is key to protecting your investment and keeping your home in top condition. Schedule regular inspections and tune-ups for your major systems, such as your HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. Stay on top of routine maintenance tasks like cleaning gutters, servicing appliances, and checking for leaks or other potential issues. Better yet, learn how to perform these tasks yourself to save even more. Either way, even if these preventative measures may require some money to be spent up front, they can save you significant money in the long term by extending the lifespan of your home's components and avoiding expensive emergency repairs. Number 4. Make your home an income source. As you review your monthly expenses, it's common to feel overwhelmed by the financial strain of homeownership. You've probably tried to cut back on unnecessary expenses, but it seems like there's always another bill to pay. But a practical solution to this is to consider turning your home into an income-generating asset to supplement your budget. One option is renting out a spare room or a separate living space, such as a basement apartment or a guest house. Alternatively, you could offer short-term vacation rentals through platforms like Airbnb or VRBO, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you could even explore home-based business opportunities, such as tutoring, freelancing, or running a small e-commerce shop. This additional income stream can help offset your living expenses, pay down debt, or contribute to your overall wealth-building strategy. Number 5. Practice a cooling-off period for major purchases. Maybe you've been eyeing that stunning new sofa for months, and it's finally on sale. You're tempted to make the purchase right away, convincing yourself that it's a great deal you can't pass up. But this is exactly when you should hit the brakes. Impulse purchases can quickly drain your budget and lead to regrets down the line. Before making any significant purchases for your home, implement a cooling-off period of at least a week or two. During this time, research thoroughly, compare prices, and reevaluate whether the purchase aligns with your financial goals and priorities. Ask yourself if the item is a true need or just a want, and consider if there are more cost-effective alternatives available. By taking a step back and allowing yourself time to think, you'll be less likely to make impulsive decisions that could strain your budget. Number 6. Embrace minimalism to reduce clutter. It's a common scenario. You've just moved into your new home, and as you unpack boxes, you're overwhelmed by the sheer volume of possessions you've accumulated over the years. The prospect of finding a place for everything seems daunting, and you can't help but wonder how you ended up with so much stuff. The secret here is to declutter and dispose, instead of simply trying to find room for everything. Start by going through each room and getting rid of items you no longer need or use. Donate, sell, or recycle these items to free up space and eliminate the temptation to accumulate more possessions. Once you've decluttered, be mindful of future purchases by asking yourself if each item serves a genuine purpose or is just an impulse buy. Minimalism encourages intentional living, where you prioritize experiences over material possessions, ultimately saving you money and even reducing stress. Owning a home is a key step to wealth, and there are some common defined stages in this journey that can help give you goals to aim for to keep moving up. Check out this video next to see where you stand in the 7 stages of wealth.